I've just had a look in that container garden area, and I've realised I've got a really long container that we've fixed to the wall quite high up, and there's nothing in it yet. So we might as well put some of these in and see if we get anything out of them. So that's that container there fixed to the wall. It's quite high, it's quite long, so we can get a few pepper plants in that. I'll just top it up with a bit of fresh compost first, but it's also in a good position. Being so high up, it's going to keep slugs off those leaves. So we'll just top this up with some nice fresh compost. Just breaking up all the big lumps that's in this compost. And we'll just level it out a bit. Now we can get some of these in. And when I plant them, you're just going to pop them straight in there, firm them right down, really firm them down, because we know when this wind gets up it causes problems. I can also put a little cane in there to hold them if needs be. And I'm going to plant them alternately. Like that, offset them from each other. Quick and easy, straight in and firm them down. I'll take the bigger ones. Last one. Then I'm going to top dress it with some grow more. So I know there's plenty of feed in this container. And then I'm going to add a bit of tomato food as well, just to get these plants started. So there we go, that's all them set up, and we got 12 on them in this container, so we'll see how they get on. This petit pois plant as well in container garden is now absolutely loaded. with pea pods. So we should be getting an harvest from this soon enough. And a nice little home for those peppers that we grew. Because we don't want to leave them in these pots, because they're not likely to give us any fruit of any size, if any at all, while they're being restricted. And we got 12 in that container, and because it's lifted off the ground as well, that's also going to help protect it from slugs. And also making it really easy to look under the leaves for any signs of insect eggs, so we can then treat that straight away. So if you'd like to see how these plants get on in that container garden, then please just hit that subscribe button, press that notifications bell, and we'll see you on the next update.